Hello people, welcome back to Ancestors. Today we're just back playing and we're gonna befriend a guy, and I'm also planning on killing that stupid bird, so... But first I want to make a very useful tool. And then we're just going to switch that over, and then we're going to grab another one, and then we're just going to go... Okay, right, we're just going to bring this back now. There we go. Alright. But yeah, this will basically just make spears really quickly, so yeah. Alright, there we go. We're going to go kill that annoying bird now. Because, last episode, he tried to kill us. You can't kill apes like that. It's just illegal, so... We're going to teach him a lesson before. Yeah, so... I killed the stupid bird. Kill the bird, okay. What are you doing up here? Well, we got an outsider to befriend now. So that's cool, but I don't know why you would stay right here. So now we're just going to wait here until the bird comes to attack us. Because yeah. Oh, the bird. Oh, I was hoping to kill it. Oh, well, it's okay. We're going to inspect his egg now. Alright, I hope you don't come back after me for that. So... What's wrong with him? He's poisoned. No, I don't know whether we've already eaten this, but, yeah. Nope, we haven't. I think we get a, evolutionary feat for this, so, yeah. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's bring it to the... Yeah, right. We're gonna go get Poison Hill. Yeah, well, there's another one down here. Okay, my controller just vibrated like crazy, but okay. We need... Oh. Who are you? Why are you running? Are you part of my tribe? Did I get my tribe to follow me or something? I'm honestly so confused right now. I mean, I'll just head back to the place once I'm done. And then we'll see what's going on, but yeah. To expect it again, it's the exact same thing, but alright, then we're gonna head back up there. I have a gift for you. So, hey! Hey, alright, so, let's go put this down. We're gonna have a look at the real life evolution tree. So, we can't get anything here. Okay. Alright. Wait. Hold up. I didn't check. Okay, my favorite guy's dehydrated. Oh, what? Why does it say she's single then? Okay, right. We're gonna sleep till about 12, I'd say. That's a reasonable time. Why does it feel like there's no one in the tribe? There's like barely anyone here. Oh, there's quite a few. There's a couple over here, I think, actually. So you're the new one because you got the coconuts. Okay. Yeah, thought we could probably get that. I mean, look how quickly this makes spears. I've kind of grown hate for this bird, I'll have to say, actually. Oops, I got, yeah. Bird. Right, where's bird? Oh, I'm waiting for the bird. Is he not coming? Yes! We got him! We got him! We got him! We got him! Let's go! Just carry on butchering it. And yeah. What do we get? So, there seems to be meat. How does it have bones? I don't know. Right, we're gonna drop this and we're gonna see what I can get. So, what's this? Let's eat it, because why not eat? Did I get anything? Oh, is there not one for that? That's pretty sad then. That's actually kind of sad. So anyway, let's just pick up the spear and we're gonna head back. Because in this video. And we might evolve soon. But yeah. I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.